clean the finger with alcohol swab.
Step number 1.
Step number 1, clean the finger with alcohol swab. And once that's done, we air dry it, and then we
Take the
prick the
blood.
finger. And then once it's
Squeeze
pricked,
the blood. Yeah.
then we squeeze
Yeah,
the blood.
Yeah.
And then when the blood is squeezed,
Yeah.
we draw the blood into the pipette,
Yeah.
half
Put it
a
there.
centimeter, and then
Yeah.
we'll put it on, drop it onto the
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
So that's step number 2.
Step number 2.
Step number 3
And
is
then
to watch the
wait
result.
Wait to the blood coming all the way up.
That's step number 2 still. Step 3 is the reagent solution.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Put the solution.
We're gonna drop the reagent solution, 2 drops.
2 drops.
2 drops.
1,
Two.
2.
Okay.
That's it.
And then you can watch
Once the
the blood go
go all the way up.
all the way up to the line. And then when it's positive, it'll turn
2 stripes.
2 lines.
Yeah.
One line on the C and the other line on the
You
test
can
line.
make a close up, on me.
Great.
That's my
If
Good
it's negative,
job,
it'll be
good
just
job.
be one line.
So basically 3 steps. Number 1,
see?
prepare the finger. Good job. Congratulations. You did a great job. Protect yourself. You're negative. Okay, 3
No,
steps
that's okay.
basically. Okay.
No big deal.
All right. Let's say give a thumbs up. And
Thumbs
thank you so much, Dr. Kim. Thank you
Thumbs
so
up.
much,
Thank you.
Anita.
You're welcome.